Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best embroidery machine that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Brother SC1900 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. This computerized 3-in-1 quilting, embroidery, and sewing machine is Amazon's top choice of an embroiderer, and reading through its capabilities and rave reviews, it's clear why. For the avid embroiderer, this machine provides 138 built-in embroidery designs and almost a dozen monogramming fonts. It comes with 240 various stitches, an easy-to-thread needle, and an LCD color touchscreen which allows you to preview all of your creations and easily edit them. This machine even comes with an embroidery hoop with a 5x7-inch embroidery field. At £22, it's also one of our lighter picks. One experienced sewer wrote, "Love this machine for the ease of use with the embroidery. I feel all aspects, sewing and embroidery, of this machine to be easy to use and excellent for home and small business use." Moving on, at number 4, we have the Singer Computerized Sewing Machine. Singer has been designing and selling sewing machines for more than 160 years and has created this machine with the absolute beginner in mind. With over 600 decorative stitch capabilities, this tool is a great entry into the world of embroidery. With this wide selection of stitches, one sewer commented, "Even the simplest garment can be embellished with embroidery to make it look amazing." The options this machine offers combined with the wonderful threads widely available to machine embroiderers make fashion sewing exciting in a whole new way. At number 3, we have the Brother SC600 Sewing and Embroidery Machine. With 80 built-in embroidery designs and 103 sewing stitches, this sewing and embroidery machine is a good option for intermediate users with some basic embroidery knowledge. Even though it's almost half the price of some other machines of this caliber, it still has an impressive array of pre-installed embroidery patterns and choices to keep even the most avid embroiderer busy, plus you can still upload additional patterns via USB. At just £11.82, this machine is our lightest option and the color touchscreen allows you to preview designs. The embroidery field is 4x4 inches and an embroidery hoop is included. One customer wrote, "I was pleasantly surprised with the stitch quality of the machine, the ease of using the embroidery features, how smoothly and quietly it runs, and the general overall quality." At number 2, we have the Janome Multi-Needle Embroidery Machine. Designed with industry professionals in mind, this 7-needle embroidery machine is capable of importing the most common industry embroidery formats, .jef, .jef Plus and .dst, and reaches speeds of up to 800 SPM. It has a built-in embroidery tracing area, and a USB port, making this almost 70-pound tool the perfect addition to your craft business or home workshop. In addition, the large 5x7-inch computer screen makes it super easy to select and adjust designs. One professional embroiderer wrote, "I love it. It is very easy to learn how to use. I am thinking about ordering another one for my business." And finally, at number 1, we have the Portable Sewing Machine Computerized Embroidery Sewing Machine. At under $200, this quilting, sewing, and embroidery machine still have all of the bells and whistles a crafting aficionado or sewer would expect from a big-ticket machine. With over 200 built-in stitches, various speeds, automatic buttonhole settings, and just over 15 pounds making transportability a breeze, one happy customer described it as easy to set up and the needle threader is awesome. Good choice for a beginner or pro. Great price. Another satisfied purchaser added, "The stitches are perfect right out of the box. No need to fiddle with tension. Having the special stitches is like hitting the lottery on Christmas morning." This embroidery and sewing machine even includes electric and handheld options for faster or slower speeds. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.